Hello YouTube, it is Jeremy King 150 here, and as you see, yes, I got the M41, also known as the G36C from Modern Warfare 3, and in general known as the G36. Well, today I have bought it from the flea market, and it's completely brand new, and it's going to be the first time I've opened it except once. Haven't even took it out completely out of the plastic, okay? And as you see, the environment where I'm at is different. I am outside filming this. Alright, I'm going to test this and everything, so see how that goes. Okay, oops. As you see, this is what you got. You got your paper that they want you to sign and mail in, which no one does that. Instructions on how to put your laser sight on, and the gun's manual in general. Alright. Now this is what you got inside completely. So let's go ahead and open it up. Again, this is what you got inside. Got the gun, the barrel extension, the stock, the magazine, the orange thing in case you don't want to have the barrel extension on, ACOG variable sight, and a laser sight, and some extra BBs. And it also comes with a sling and maintenance tools and some batteries for your laser. Okay, let me stick this under here. Alright. Go ahead and get the stock out. Car's coming. Okay. Oh no, that's my neighbor. This is the stock. There's your sling. And this is not like the sling I got last week with my sniper rifle. I had to tie that on. This one's got these little clip things. So I might put that on my sniper. I don't know what these are. There's a screwdriver apparently. My barrel extension. My awesome variable zoom sight. Really cool looking through it. Got to put batteries in there and it works. It will work. High grade BB air sport gun. BBs. I would assume these are the .12 grams. This is the orange thing that goes on the end of your gun. A laser sight, in which I got to put the batteries in that. I don't think I'm going to use this particularly, but oh wait, that's what those clips are for. That's what holds this laser sight, which I'm going to probably put it on something else. Other than that, it's pretty cool. The magazine, in which you can actually see through, and it looks like it's got real bullets. So yeah, really cool, really cool. My friend's got one, but he broke his by accident, so I'm gonna see if I can buy his magazine. Having 2 magazines for this, that'd be cool. And yes, this is by Double Eagle, which they make some pretty cool guns. Let me get the gun itself out. This is your main gun. It's got, show you for yourself. Okay, this you can actually change it to safety, fire. Or yeah, I had it backwards. Safety, no fire. Okay. I'll show you how this shoots and how you load it, pull it back for the mechanism to work. So yeah, I've made a specialty order for the UK Arms M41. If you want to check that out on Google Images or something, it's an Airsoft sniper rifle. Yeah, I don't know when it'll be coming in. Okay, first things first, let's put this thing on. Blow the foam on. There we go. Got that. Then this guy. Oh. No, it goes on there. Oh, okay. I'm having some technical difficulties. It doesn't want to go on. Do I need to go? No, I don't. Okay, let's see what that is. I only put that on if I want to have the barrel extension. Which, I want to have that barrel extension. It's actually really cool looking. Let's put that stock on. There's a button here. I'm going to press that down. Okay. This gun seems to fit pretty cool in my arms. Here's the gun itself. I think I'm going to keep it like this. Actually, I'm going to put this on my sniper until I get my better scope in. And that looks pretty cool. Now, let's take out the sample BBs. And I don't have any targets set up right now, but it still fires pretty good. Okay. Can't stand it when BBs roll out. Okay. Now, I'm going to shoot 5 BBs. Let's go ahead and load them in. I know they tell you not to use BBs that land on the ground, but this is not like it's been in the dirt, so I got no worries. Okay, got 5 loaded BBs. You can see that. Okay. Now, this is a really cool looking gun. In real life, the Heckler and Koch, or Coach, however you want to pronounce it, actually makes it. So, okay. Now, you pull the thing and then pull it back. That, wow, that is amazingly accurate. I'm actually starting to think this is this 0.2 grams or 0.20 grams. I've been able to hit the same spot. This thing's amazing. And what I've noticed with most airsoft guns, when you take out the magazine, you think you're out of BBs, but there's usually 1, 2, or even 3 that likes to come out. And they will come out of the hole that this is loaded into, so it's pretty crazy. Again, I'm not going to put my just making sure it wasn't on, because I don't want to waste a battery like I did to my ACOG scope for my light machine gun. That's the second screwdriver I've got. My other sniper came with one. Alrighty, well, if I were to really give this gun from a 1 to 10 on its ratings for how, excuse me, and how it shoots, how it looks, how portable it is. Well, the way I can tell, it's very concealable and everything. I mean, you can easily just be like this, and then like I got quick draw or dexterity for you Black Ops 2 players. So yeah, with all that combined, I give it a 9. What would make it a 10 though is for it to have at least a metal barrel. I mean, I know I shouldn't be looking down the barrel. That's a big problem with airsoft guns. Just like this one, if I were to just like drop it right now, it'd probably break on the inside. Now my sniper, it got knocked over, nothing happened to it. Sounds pretty cool. Again, give this a 9 of 10. And I paid 30 bucks for it. I don't know where you guys will get it from, if you wanted to buy it online or just whatever. It's up to you. I'm actually going to put these .20 gram BBs in my sniper rifle. They work so much better than that. So let's see. Let's get these in here. Next week, I don't know what I intend to get. I really don't, so continue to be prepared for a video, and like I said, what I get is what I get. If I get that M41, I am definitely doing a review on here, because I know that happens to be a popular airsoft sniper rifle, other than the UTG L96. I want an L96, but they're like, see, I work for my money. I don't go like, hey mom, could you buy me this? Because I'm not trying to be mean. I have preppy friends, but I've also got friends who get everything they want, which is pretty ridiculous. It's like $150 for a UTG L96, and maybe like $125 for a UK Arms L96. I'll probably get one of those in the future, but for now, keep watching my channel. Tell your friends and family to check out my channel and my clan's channel, SMPR Clan Leader. And again, if you want to join the clan, feel free to send me a text message or sign up at go to SMPR Clan channel and go to the wallpaper and hit the link on there. It should say SMPR Clan register page, something like that. Okay, like and subscribe. Tell your friends and family about my channel and SMPR Clan Leader. And keep you updated. See you guys later.